भाजपा के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष BY विजेंद्र ने कहा, भगदड़ की त्रासदी के 13 दिन बाद भी कर्नाटक सरकार ने कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं ली है। वे केवल पुलिस अधिकारियों पर दोष मढ़ रहे हैं। हालांकि यहां तक कि उच्च न्यायालय ने भी कहा है कि राजनीतिक नेतृत्व को ही जवाबदेह ठहराना चाहिए। इसलिए हम मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धारमैया के इस्तीफे की मांग कर रहे हैं।
Even after 13 days of the Stampede tragedy, the Karnataka government has not taken any responsibility. They are blaming only police officials here. But the High Court has also observed it is the political leadership which has to take responsibility. So we are demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Sir, here in RCB incident, the tragedy where 11 people died, it is due to the irresponsible behavior of the state government, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. Because of their competition, this incident has taken place, this tragedy has taken place. The sole responsibility lies with the state government, with the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister himself. Hence, we are demanding the resignation of Chief Minister.
D.K. Shivkumar has criticized, saying that you are doing politics on dead bodies.
See, BJP is not interested in doing politics on dead bodies. But the people of Karnataka are asking that state government should own the responsibility. State government, Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister should take up the responsibility, moral responsibility and resign. We are not doing any politics here. Due to the internal competition, internal rift of CM and Deputy CM, this tragedy has taken place.
Yes, very true. Several incidents have happened, but nowhere Chief Minister or Deputy Chief Minister have been responsible. But in this particular case, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister are directly responsible. They created a situation in which people have died, whereas in other cases it was only accident. Suspensions take place only after a preliminary inquiry, after a proper procedure has been applied. No procedure has been applied. By suspending the officers, government is thinking they have brought an end to the entire stampede issue. Suspension is totally illegal, uncalled for. They shifted the blame from themselves to innocent police officers who have always been saying that program can be held, but after 2 days, after proper preparations are made. They did not heed when problem took place. Now they are blaming the police officers.